Hello. Today is Thursday, May the 5th, and it's Cinco de Mayo, and it's Cinco the stock market. The stock market keeps sinking. The Dow is down about 3%, and the NASDAQ is just about 5% down. Yesterday, the stock market jumped tremendously uh, because they said it's a half point raise in interest rate as opposed to 0.75 in the future. So it's going to be a half point, half point, half point. And that was supposed to make everybody happy. Um, the real fact is that the interest rate is not the thing that people should be worried about. There's only one thing that people should worry about right now, which is the catalyst of all catalysts, and that's Ukraine war. What's happening is that uh, our government, as well as European governments, are not being strong enough with the action in Ukraine. They're pretty much just waiting for uh, the Ukrainian government to fall so they can go back to their positions as, making their money because they're politicians. It's a very sad situation. Uh, I don't think that anyone who's investing right now should feel very comfortable. The only play right now is really energy or any type of resources, and even those markets are manipulated. Today, I heard that they're going to implement NOPEC, which is a way for the U.S. government to sue OPEC. Well, the fact of the matter is, um, when you try to sue someone, their guard goes up, and they're no longer interested in really trying to help you. So I'm expecting the price of oil to go to $180 a barrel. I'm invested in a stock PED. I'm invested in other stocks in the recycling industry because pretty much all resources, lithium, nickel, copper, uh, and the other one I can't remember right now, uh, are really important for the EV industry, and we just don't have minerals. So we're going to have to recycle from the batteries that we have now. There's a good company, AQMS, which I'm invested in. Stock is down, but I'm holding it and just waiting because it's those type of things. Instead of digging up the ground, getting the minerals from spent batteries is probably a much better way than trying to mine uh, battery minerals in countries where there's war. So I think that's my approach there. As far as where the market's going to go, um, I don't think it can continue dropping this much. I think that uh, we should have a bounce back, but until we really see a complete decoupling between Bitcoin and the stock market, there's no reality. Because what does one have to do with the other? Yes, they're both in a risk trade, but that doesn't mean anything. They're totally different types of investment instruments. So I think that both markets are unstable, both stocks and crypto, and you have to be really smart, and you have to get as much information from as much crazy people as you possibly can, and then make your own decision. Which, by the way, I do not give financial advice. I just sit in front of the computer trying to figure out what's going on. I'm seeing that Bitcoin is down to about 36,800, which is a pretty big drop. Ether is 27, but let's take a look at an altcoin, Jasmy. Jasmy is at 0.02, I believe, and that shot up as high as 27 cents. So I'm actually should have liquidated some of my shares in the stocks today, and I should have bought. What I wanted to do is buy $100,000 worth of Jasmy. Is it a risk? Yeah. But is the stock market a risk? Yes. So that's probably going to be my next move if I can get my money out and into Jasmy. So anyway, I just want to check in with you. I'll cover some other stocks later today, but this is kind of like just what's on my mind: oil, minerals, minerals, minerals. Anything else? Except biotech, high risk biotech, I like because they're going to get killed right now. The prices are so low. If one of them hits, it's a big deal. So that's it for today. This is Mark from Newsweed. Talk to you again soon. This is just a market update from a plain old regular guy with the Duke behind him. Thanks.